Well, hello everybody, what's in the whole universe. I hope everything is fine, and I'm a Russian man who brings value through my own experiences. And today we're gonna talk about the programming of games, and also developing games, and also about the programming languages, coding, and things of this nature. I hope that it will be fine, and it is not a new experience for me, but about the games, it was new cycle of my mind. As you maybe know, I have a lot of interests in my life, and it is good because I'm young. I'm 23 years old. Sorry, because of the water. I'm 23 years old, and life is opening and life is going forward, and I want to learn every skill in a middle level, or maybe at least in a normal level, like to understand this world better. And I started to understand it better. Yes, it is good. I learned a lot about voice acting, about skills of storytelling, about writing, about English too. And I know English, and I told you about the topics that I wanted to speak and topics that I needed to improve. Also, I told you about my room of improvement. It's good. And also, I was improving my editing skills previously, and I was working as a videographer, photographer. It was good, and I have really nice skills of editing. Really, I was paying for it, and people really liked it, and I liked my works. And also, I have one interesting experience in my life. I have it, and it is I was learning programming in my childhood a lot. It was the favorite skill that I learned, because I liked to play computer games, and I like right now to play computer games, computer games, and I will like, I think, to play computer games. I like it. And when I was playing computer games, I noticed that I was thinking about them not fully like a game developer, but in some way as a tester, or maybe in some way of a encyclopedist inside of these games. Like, need to know how to talk with them, need to know where to collect these items, need to know what's the points on the map, and need to know what's the coordinates, and also what's the NPC, who is the NPC, what's the bugs of this game. Bugs, I mean something like not a feature but a bug, like errors. And I like to do this, really. And I was playing computer games for a long period of time, like 10,000 hours I played it. Even more, I think. And I have a lot of images inside of my mind, a lot of associations. And we are best at, do you know what? We are best at things that we have the most associations inside of my mind. Oh, Jesus Christ, one rat started to run away. Really, small rat near the places like this, trash bins. And also, as you maybe know, I was learning information security of geospatial systems in Moscow State University of Geodesy and Cartography, and it means I was learning the information security, yes, and also I was learning a bit of programming too, on C# and on C++, and also on Delphi, and also on Pascal, and also on HTML, SQL, a little bit, not fully, like not the way of like, Jesus Christ, I'm a programmer, I will sit right now and I will write to you for 1 second the huge code. No, I know it. I know how to write, and my speed is not super fast. It is like, I know how to draw, but I will not draw you a picture like so my camera got off, and right now everything is fine. And I was doing association and metaphor with drawing. I know how to draw, and I draw really nice. I don't want to say that I draw like a Leonardo da Vinci right now yet, and something like this, but I can draw with the skills, like I can do this. And if you will say to me to draw a dog, or maybe to draw a bench, or maybe a building, I will draw it, and it will be kind of understandable that what I have drawn, and I can draw it nice. But if you need to draw like something good and nice, need to invest time in it, and need to invest really a huge amount of time, not like for a super mega beginner, like a brand new beginner, but I think that's a nice amount of time need to invest in it. And the same with my programming skills. Need to invest nice bunch of a time to do this. The same with the music skills. I have nice like music theory. I know it, and know it in a good way, really. On piano, on guitar, and to know something, need to always need to invest time on it. And right now, I want to invest my time into the programming, and I think that I will show you my programming skills and also my programs that I do. And maybe you will not understand if you are not super mathematician or something, but I will try it firstly, and maybe I will do this even some kind of Russian language, English. It will be a kind of things. I thought that it was the girl that I know, and I wanted to say hello, but she was not. And maybe I will do this even in Russian English translation to you. Maybe it will be interesting. And right now, what ideas I have today? I was doing Python learning. Python is a programming language, good programming language. And about my level, current level, I know the main stimulus, I know the main things, I know the main architecture of the programming, how to do this, what need to do, mathematician stuff, because I like mathematics from my childhood. But I don't know fully syntax, but I will learn it, guys. And I know that I will learn it, and need to invest only time. It is like with English language. You invest time in it, you improve it, and that's all. It is the same thing. The main thing that I have the mindset of the programmer, really. I have the algorithmic thinking. It is good, and I'm good at math too. And so we will do this, guys, with you. And right now I'm a little bit of shy because some people are watching at me. But okay, it's their choice, but my choice is to speak with you, but I will not speak so loud right now. And also I want to say that previously, today I was doing... one guy said stop, because the taxi maybe is near this place. And today I created a kind of program, architecture, database of my universe of Arel and Gulliver. It is for a game, for a book, for things of this nature. I created 3 languages in this in this universe. It was nice. And it was the universe like the Lord of the Rings, or maybe the Game of Thrones, or maybe the universe of Simpsons, maybe you know. And it is the same thing. And I was creating database of it. It was good. And also, while I was going to Moscow today, I was thinking about the game, one more, about the cats and the wolves. Cats who are running to the dawn like the sun is going down and something like this. And they are running to this place. And wolves want to eat. And they want to eat these cats, and they are kind of hunting. It is the hunting of wolves who are running to the cats, and cats are running to the dawn. And you, as a hunter, should kill, or at least punish, the wolves who want to kill our kitties. And that is the game that I created inside of my mind. And we have different variables of cats, variables. Also, it will be the background that need to draw. Also, it will be the cursor of our mouse that need to replace with a picture of the gun aim. Also, it is the specific damage level, and also numbers, and the formulas how we attack. When I click the left button of my mouse, then something happens, and it is different positions of our location. And if the wolf will be in a zone of a cat, then the wolf eats the cat, and it means that the health of the cat is going down, and your health as a gamer going down. And if you lost maybe three kitties, then you lost the game, for example. And if you killed the wolf, then you have plus points. And also it could be twilight in this game, and it means that wolves are going hunting faster, and the kitties are going slower. It means the game goes harder. And one moment, some some of the cute girls are going around us. They're nice, by the way. And so this game is about it, about the battle of the kitties, cats, and also the wolves. But they are not kind of battling. We are battling with wolves, but kitties, they are trying to save their children and go to the dawn. Okay, it was nice to speak with you today. And what do you think about it? Would you like to see kind of coding? I think that yes, if I want to show it, then yes, need to show it. People always try to find what they will like, maybe. And if you will not like, okay, you will maybe find another piece of content that I create. So I want to invest my time on it, and I think that will be nice. And thank you a lot for watching this video, and improve so daily. Go forward. You know that everything in your life depends only on you. We are continuing going forward. And see you next time. You're a nice girl. Oh boy. See ya.